Hi there, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have a 4-bedroom, 2-bath updated home to show you right here in the heart of Slidell. Let's go on in and take a look. Right through the front door, we're met with this very spacious living room. I love that there are neutral colors all throughout this home, and then we see this focal point of a beautiful wood-burning fireplace. Now, another really great thing about this home is that it has an open floor plan. So we step right into this spacious kitchen. We have this really nice island here. We've got black granite countertops, white cabinets, and stainless appliances. So there's a lot of room not only with the counter area, but also the cabinetry. We've got this great pantry cabinet here, and then beyond this door is a combination laundry and pantry. All right, still lots to see. Right off of the kitchen is the dining room, and there's a lot to love about this room. First of all, it's big enough to accommodate a table for 8 people and even room for additional furniture. Now, right in front of me is a set of French doors with full glass letting in lots of natural light, and there's even this charming bay window right in the front of the house. Now, right off of this room is the first of the 4 bedrooms. It is currently being used as an office, and there is a nice size walk-in closet right there behind me. All right, let's go take a look at the rest. So now we're on the other side of the house, and as we head down the hallway, the first thing we come to is this storage closet. Always nice to have more storage. Now, we are heading into the shared bath. This is a beautiful space. It was just recently remodeled. There is a brand new deep soaking tub, and then there's tile going all the way up to the ceiling in the shower. Now, there's also a very charming modern vanity with the white and gray quartz, brand new mirror, light fixture. The whole room is absolutely beautiful. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. Now we're heading into bedroom 2. So while this is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, it's still a good size and can fit a queen size bed. There is crown molding around the top of this room and also a nice size closet with bifold doors. Now we head into bedroom 3, and this room is a really nice size. It has a soothing blue color on the wall and also a nice size closet. Now let's take a look at the primary suite. I just love how much space is in this room. This could actually be 2 rooms, it's that big. So right over here to my left is a king size bed, big nightstands, there's an armoire here, there is plenty of room in here, and then we come to the second half of this room. This space is so big, this would really be a nice seating area, and then beyond that, are 2 big walk-in closets. Let's go see the ensuite bath. There is so much space in this room. So here we have a furniture style vanity with the marble top, very charming. And then over here in this corner, we have this huge corner soaking tub with a travertine surround. Now, as we come to this side of the room, we have this very nice size walk-in shower. It's tiled all the way to the ceiling and even has a charming niche with a herringbone marble tile backsplash. All right, still lots more to see. The outside of this property has so much to offer. So in the front, there is a covered carport leading into the side door. There is an extra driveway that leads right back into this backyard with rear yard access. There is so much space in this yard. There is a beautiful oak tree and even a shed. This property has so much to offer. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.